Hi everyone, this is Krasny, and I'm going to take you through some exercises, some meditations. Now that we've gone through the chakra system, I'd like to show you how to easily and quickly clear your chakras, as well as the sushumna, which is the channel that runs from the tailbone all the way up to the crown of the head. And that's where we release the Kundalini energy to bring it all the way up to the crown for enlightenment. So we're going to start with a cleansing breath I like to call the dolphin breath. Okay? We're going to close our eyes, exhale completely and relax. Relax your shoulder blades back, relax your chin parallel, relax but don't collapse. Okay? We're going to exhale, and as we do, feel the rootedness of your tailbone into the earth. Feel that first chakra grounding into the earth. Take your breath all the way down and expand your tailbone, expand your perineum, your hips, and as you breathe in from the bottom all the way up, filling the breath up. Lower belly, middle ribs, upper chest, crown of head, pause. Feel the energy shooting out the top of your head. And as you exhale, relax your shoulders, relax your neck, your jaw, your hands, your feet, and your face. And wait for your body to breathe you again. There's a peace at the bottom of the breath. As you inhale, take your breath down, filling up the tailbone, the lower belly, the solar plexus, the heart, the throat, the third eye, and the crown. Bring all that energy up, and as you exhale, blow it out the crown of your head and relax. Now we're going to scoop the energy up again, drawing that energy up from the earth, lower belly, all the way up, and blow it out. Like a dolphin. Exhale, release, relax. We're going to gather up that energy again from the tailbone, lower belly, solar plexus, heart, throat, third eye. Gather it up and clear the channel. 3 good dolphin breaths usually helps to clear the channel. Let's do one more just for safety's sake. Letting that energy like a dolphin blowhole come down, swirl around your body, and gather again at the bottom. So after we've cleared the channels, after we've cleared with the dolphin breath, we're going to move into the rainbow spinning vortex breath. Now, remember that we are surrounded by an energy field of light, okay? Like a beautiful egg of white light that surrounds and protects us. And this field can come in really close, or it can be very expanded and open and strong. So if you're going into a crowd where you might not necessarily know people, or you want to protect your energy field, this is a great meditation to do if you are going into an unknown, unfamiliar territory, okay? So we're going to close our eyes, sitting up straight. We're going to inhale, and as we inhale, we're going to imagine we have noses on our feet, on our rear end. We're going to breathe into the earth with our noses, and then we're going to draw that breath down. See red spinning in the tailbone chakra and the Muladhara, which is the first chakra. See a spinning vortex, clockwise circle of red energy. Good, and as we breathe down, noses pull the energy down to the tailbone. Inhale, breathe down, spin the red, the orange, the yellow, the green, the blue, the indigo in your third eye. Spin it, breathe it. And as you exhale, release those colors down. Gathering again at your feet and your tailbone. We're going to breathe down. Red spins, breathing into the tailbone. Lower belly, solar plexus, heart green, throat turquoise, indigo, third eye, and then a beautiful lavender all the way up to the crown of your head. And as you exhale, let the colors come back down all the way into the earth. This time when we breathe in, we're going to bring the energy up and out the crown of our head like the dolphin breath. We're going to breathe the tailbone red, sacral chakra orange, bright yellow in the third chakra, breathing into your heart, the green and the pink, the turquoise in your throat, the indigo in your third eye, the lavender up top. Breathe it all the way, the colors up, and exhale. And let that rainbow waterfall come all around you, gathering at your feet, amping up your field. One more time, deep breath in, tailbone, lower belly. All the colors come up through the crown. Bring them all the way up. And let that rainbow of colors bathe down around you, cascading around you, spinning through you, leaving this beautiful, scintillating white light. And bring your hands up over your heart, taking a deep breath in. And as you exhale, put a smile on your face. See the rainbows in you and all around you. And have a colorful, balanced, harmonious, peaceful day.